everybody. So when I was younger, I had pretty chill taste in music. I listened to Gordon Lightfoot and John Denver and Joni Mitchell and Cat Stevens, and strangely, Creedence Clearwater Revival. One of these things is not like the other. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it can't stop